So guys, what we are doing right now, as I earlier said, is building the brackets where the concrete will be put. As you can see, Gilberto is inside, as they also work out to make sure they finish building the brackets where the concrete will be laid. So as you can see, it looks amazing, and hopefully why we are using the triply, as I earlier said, we are using the triply because this wall that we are building is not a square wall, and therefore because of the curves, so we normally use the triply so that we get the smooth endings and the smooth curves. As you can see, remember this project belongs to the owner. He lives in US, so he also contacted us using the first he saw us on the YouTube and contacted Gilberto to offer him this job. So you can see this one is built just adjacent to the building. Yeah, you can see the building here. It's a bungalow. It's a very tall building. It's a residential where his home is. And you can see even on the other side where he lives. You can see the far end, there is a building there. And this so is the, and we also have another project on the other side where you see the bricks. That is what we call the biodigester septic tank. That's a modern toilet. So let me bring you back to this that we are working on. This is an underground water tank that we are working on. So you see, we after the foundation, there was again another foundation of the walls, and the walls has been built now to a midway, where we feel because of the height of this water tank, that is expected to be carrying over 100,000 liters of water. So at least you need to introduce in the midway a rental that will hold it firm. So that's why you see we are now building this renter. So working on it, the brackets, to make sure that we have the stability of the walls and the tank itself. Remember, here we are talking about water and its behavior, which is a different thing. This is not like maybe the modern toilets and others. Everything has got its own concept. So the concept of dealing with water or handling water is quite different. So there is a lot of engineering expertise that is required. And that's why you see now these all type of buildings and also expertise. So guys, if you are tuning in for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, and if you are a returning viewer, congratulations and thank you very much.
And we are just to show our people about double offer. We can say that it's double offer because we have this first one, the biggest water tank, and my cameraman can take you, my followers, to the other side immediately right now to show you what is going on there in terms of preparation of bioseptic there. So my photoman or a cameraman take my people there so that they can witness the amazing preparation that we are happening here. It's happening here as an offer from the United States of America, Gilberto Architecture Construction. Yeah, you can imagine and see how Gilberto is a very important specialist in this world, the planet Earth. There are many people around you that Gilberto can serve you differently as usual, because internationally they can recognize Gilberto. Okay, let's take a look at the other side.
Okay, otherwise thank you. As we head to the other side, remember I have been instructed to take you to where we have another project. And the project that we are talking about is the biodigester septic tank. This is the modern toilet that we will also be building here, and you can see it. So this is the preparation of it. Remember, we also have already the basement, which is the foundation of it, and this is the sock pit you see on this side here. So from here we will have the sock pit on the other side where it's already filled with the stones. So what we are remaining with is to build this, and to build this it only requires a few things. There is a foundation. Remember, in the foundation there is the first concrete, then the YMS second concrete, then the TPC, the black pepper you see, then again the last layer. But I think from here, guys, you can see how far we are moving and serving, making sure that whenever we have a project, we can finish it in time. So we've been on here for about 4 days. We came here on Monday. Today is on Thursday. So hopefully we are running with time so that we finish in time. This is the sock pit I told you. And hopefully we will be working on this afternoon. As we finish, we will be embarking to the what we call the biodigester septic tank. But all in all, let me take you back to where we were, which is the water tank, the underground water tank. As you see now, they are concluding. So what they are taking in is the timbers, and these timbers will be to...
This timber is a reinforcement of this plywood because of flexibility. It cannot handle itself this the weight of concrete, so that we need to reinforce them.
So the timbers that are taken in, as you've heard from the engineer himself, is to reinforce or to give the stability to the wall. Remember, the concrete has got its own weight, so that mass can never be withstood by the triply, and that's why now we use the timbers at least to make sure the wall is firm and stable enough to hold the concrete. So as we proceed, guys, enjoy viewing, enjoy watching, supporting us, and without forgetting to, as I normally say, if you are turning in for the first time, remember to subscribe, turn on the ring bell so that whenever we have a new video, you will be notified. But without also forgetting, like, give us a thumb or a dole, as we say in Swahili, so that we can also have or get that heart. Okay? And without forgetting, share and leave your comment also. Otherwise, from this side, keep on watching as the job proceeds. So that's it, guys. Keep on watching.